Welcome to my class. Introduction. Class Standard 9. Subject Higher Mathematics. Chapter name Set and Function. Exercise 1.1 Lecture 1. Let's see some pictures. This is a dinner set. This is a sofa set. This is tea set. And also this is a book set. Today's lesson. To explain set and different kinds of sets. Set. German mathematician George Cantor 1845 to 1918 explained the idea about set. Definition of set: a well-defined collection of objects of real or imaginative world is called set. Examples of sets of well-defined objects are the first five English alphabet, the countries of Asia, the students of class 9. Well-defined mean the students of class 9 here only will be the students of class 9, not others class. Countries of Asia. Here will be only the countries in Asia, not others country. Okay? Or the first five English alphabet. That is only A, B, C, D, E, not others letter. Either Bangla or any others. There is no repetition and order of the objects in set. That's mean repetition and order of the objects in set. No repetition. Follow. Here A, B and AB, or order mean one first, two second. Here will be two first, one second position. There is no difference. Clear? Each object of a set is called an element of the set. Set is generally denoted by capital letters of English alphabet as A, B, C, dot 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 X, Y, Z, and the elements are expressed in small letters small a, small b, small c, X, Y, Z, etc. The set is expressed by the symbol second bracket, which includes the elements of the set. For example, the set of A, B, C is within second bracket A, B, C. Let X be an element of a set A. Mathematically, it is expressed by X belongs to A. X belongs to A is read as X is the element of A or X belongs to A. For example, if B equal to Mn, then M belongs to B and N belongs to B. That's both M and N are the elements of B. Let X is not an element of a set A. Mathematically, it is expressed by X does not belongs to A. X does not belongs to A is read as X is not an element of A or X does not belongs to A. For example, if C equal to PQ, then R does not belongs to C. That means R is not the element of C. Method of expressing set. Set can be expressed mainly in two methods. One number roster or tabular method and two number set builder method. Roster or tabular method. In this method, all the elements of set are mentioned, particularly by enclosing mainly in second brackets. That's mean like as, and if there is more than one element, the elements are separated by using comma. For example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 2 number set builder method. In set builder method, one unknown quantity or variable is placed before such. This is means such that or in brief such, and then required conditions are applied to the variable. For example, if the set of natural even numbers which are smaller than 10 is a is equal to x such that x is an even natural number and x less than 10. Problem 1. Express the set P equal to x such that x are all the factors of 42 in tabular method. Here is given in set builder method, but we have to express in tabular method. Solution P is the set of factors of 42. Here 42 equal to 1 into 42, this equal to 2 into 21, this equal to 3 into 14, this equal to 6 into 7. Therefore, the factors of 42 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, 42. So this equal to, we can write, that's mean the required set P is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, 42. All the elements are separated by comma and enclosed second bracket. So this is a tabular form or method or roster method. Express the set Q, this equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 in set builder method. Solution, the elements of the set Q are this. Here this element is an even number multiple of 4 and not greater than 20. So this equal to, we can write x such that x is even number multiple of 4 and x less than or equal to 20. This is the required answer. And I think that everybody will solve related this to this problem. Okay. Classification of sets. Universal set. If all the sets under discussion are included in a particular set, that particular set is called the universal set. It is generally denoted by the symbol capital U. For example, U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, A is equal to 1, 3, 5, and P is equal to 2, 4, 6. Here A and P both are subset of U. So U is a universal set. Some special numbers, number of sets. Here n is equal to 1, 2, 3. This is a natural number n denoted the set of all natural numbers or positive integers. Z is equal to dot 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 minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 dot dot dot. So the set of all integer numbers. That's denoted by this. Rational number, that's mean x such that x is equal to p by q. Here p is any integers and q is any positive integers. So the set of all rational numbers, that's mean this is called the set of all rational numbers. And another one, this is a real number, x such that x is a real number. So the set of all natural numbers or positive integers. Here will be, so the set of all real numbers, not natural numbers or positive. Here will be, so the set of all real numbers. Clear? Subset. If A and B are two sets, then A will be called the subset of B if and only if every element of A are the elements of B, and it will be expressed as a subset of B. Here, for example, A is equal to AC is the subset of B, as B is equal to A, B, C, D. The elements of A are the elements of B. That's mean A present in B, also C present in B. So A is a subset of B, but B is not a subset of A because here B present, but here B absent. Also here D present, but here D absent. So B is not subset of A, but A is a subset of B. Clear? Note that if A is not the subset of B, then A not subset of B is written. For example, the elements of A are A, E, is not the subset of B, as the element of B are A, B, C, D. Here E absent, so A is not subset of B. Empty set is the subset of every set. As for example, the subset of the set, these are null set A, C, A, C. Empty set, the set which has no element is called an empty set. An empty set is expressed by the symbol I or second bracket enclosed. There is no element here. Also, this is another name, that is a ORI. For example, x has that x is a natural number and x square less than 0. X square less than 0, that means x square is equal to negative number, which is impossible. So this is an empty set. Equality of set. If A and B be two sets, then A equal to B if and only if A is a subset of B and also B is a subset of A. Then we can say A and B are equal. That means the elements of A and the elements of B are same. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Also B is equal to 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4. This and this are same. There is no repetition in the set. That means this is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So this and this are same, so A and B are equal. Proper subset. If A and B are two sets, then A will be called the subset of B if and only if A contain B and A not equal to B. Here will be not subset, proper subset. Okay. For example, A equal to AC is the subset of B, subset, not subset, proper subset. Proper subset of B whose elements are A, B, C. Here the elements of B are 3, but here the elements of A are 2. But every element of A are the element of B. So A is a subset of B and also A is a proper subset of B. Clear? A is a subset of B, or we can say A is a proper subset. This is proper and also subset. Okay, but when the elements of A and B are same, then we can say only A is a subset of B, not proper. Proper mean at least one element will be less than another set. Here not subset, here will be proper subset, here also proper. Okay. Difference of sets. If A and B are two sets, then A, this is a delete slash B, mean X has that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to A. And A slash B or A delete B is called A delete B or A slash B. For example, A is equal to this and B is equal to this, then we can say 0, 0 omit, 2, 2 omit, 4, 4 omit, 6, 6 omit, 8, 8 omit. Then we can say slash B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Complement of set. If U is an universal set and A is a subset of U, then the set of all elements that are excluded from set A is called the complement of A. The complement set of A is denoted by a complement or prime. For example, U is equal to this and A is equal to this. That's mean a complement, this equal to U delete A or U minus or U slash A, this equal to this minus this. That's mean 1, 1 cut, 3, 3 cut, 5, 5 cut will be 2, 4, 6. Power set. The set of all subsets of A is called the power set of A and it is expressed as P power set of A, that's P of A. It is to be denoted that null set is a subset of A. For this reason, null set is also an element of the power set of A. For example, if A equal to null set, then P of A equal to this. And B equal to A, then power set of B equal to null set and A. here will be another second bracket. Here will be another second bracket. Okay, also here C is equal to AB means first set of C mean null set AB and enclosed by second bracket. So here will be another second bracket, also enclosed another second bracket. Venn diagram. Sometimes set related information is expressed in diagrams is quite convenient. These diagrams are named Venn diagram after the name of John Venn, 1834 to 1923. Generally, in Venn diagram, rectangular and circular region are used. Venn diagram are shown below. This is a rectangular shape denoted U, and this is a circular region denoted set, and remaining part, this is a, if this set is A, that will be a complement. Set operations, union of set. The set formed by all the elements of two or more sets is called a union of sets. If A and B are two sets, then their union of sets is A union B. This is equal to x such that x belongs to A or x belongs to B. A union B read as A union B. For example, if A is equal to 1, 3 and B is equal to 2, 4, then A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Intersection of sets. The set formed by the common elements of two or more sets is called an intersection of sets. If A and B are two sets, then their intersection of sets is A intersection B. This is equal to x such that x belongs to A and x belongs to B. A intersection B read as A intersection B. For example, if A equal to this and B equal to this, then A intersection B is equal to 2. Disjoint set, if there is no common element between the element of two sets, the sets are called disjoint sets. Or if the intersection of two sets is an empty set, they are disjoint to each other. If A and B are two sets, then A and B will be disjoint to each other if A intersection B is equal to null set. Cartesian product. The Cartesian product set of two sets A and B is A Cartesian product B. This equal to xy in ordered pair such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. That means x is the element of the first set and y is the element of second set. For example, if A equal to this and B equal to this are two sets, then A cross B this equal to A2 comma A4, B2 comma B4. Some formulas of set. Here in every case U is the universal set and ABC are the subsets of U. One number commutative law. A union B this equal to B union A, or A intersection B this equal to B intersection A are same. Associative law. A union B then union C this equal to A union then B union C, or A intersection B intersection C this equal to intersection B intersection C. Distributive law. A union B intersection C equal to A union B intersection union C. A intersection B union C equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. De Morgan's law. A union B complement this equal to A complement intersection B complement, and C number intersection B complement this equal to A complement union B complement. Others formulas. A union A equal to A intersection A equal to A union null set this equal to A, or A intersection null set this equal to null set, not A. Here will be null set. A union universal set this equal to universal set. A intersection universal set this equal to A. A is a subset of B implies B complement is a subset of A complement. A is a subset of B mean A union B equal to B. A is a subset of B means A intersection B this equal to A. A is a subset of A union B. A intersection B is a subset of A or B. A slash B, this equal to A intersection B complement. You have to remember this relation. Here will be only wrong. A intersection null set mean here will be null set. A problem is given. If A equal to this, B equal to this, C equal to this, find the following set A number intersection B union C and intersection B union B intersection C. Here is given condition. Solution is given. B union C is equal to, we can write 2A B. Common element will take only one. Therefore, intersection B is equal to common element. Here common element only 2. B number intersection B union B intersection C. At first we have to find intersection B, this equal to this, and also B intersection C we can write this equal to A. Therefore this equal to, we can write 2A. This is answer. Clear? That type of math we have already solved in class 8. Okay. Problem 4, for any sets A, B and C of a universal set U, prove that A union B union C, this equal to A union B union C. Let X belongs to this. So X belongs to A union B or X belongs to C. As here is union, so here will be or. This equal to, we can write X belongs to A or X belongs to B or X belongs to C. This equal to, we can write X belongs to A or X belongs to B or X belongs to C. So this equal to X belongs to A or X belongs to B union C. This implies X belongs to A union B union C. Therefore, A union B union C is a subset of this. Again, let X belongs to A union B union C. Same process. This equal to, we can write X belongs to A or X belongs to B union C. Just this equal to, we can write here union, so here will be only or. Now this equal to, we can write X belongs to A or X belongs to B or X belongs to C. Therefore this equal to, we can write X belongs to union B or X belongs to C. No need to use here first bracket. This equal to, we can write X belongs to union B union C. No need this bracket. Therefore A union B union C is a subset of A union B union C. Therefore we can write the given condition is proved. That's mean this equal to this. Okay. De Morgan's law, A union B complement, this equal to A complement intersection B complement. Let X belongs to A union B complement. So this equal to, we can write X does not belongs to A union B. Does not belongs to A union B mean X does not belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. So we can write this equal to, yes here is union, but we can write here and, because X does not belongs to A union B. So X not in A, also not in B. So here will be A. And X does not belongs to A mean X belongs to A prime or A complement. Similarly, X belongs to B complement. That's mean this equal to, you can write X belongs to A complement intersection B complement. Therefore, A union B complement is a subset of A complement intersection B complement. Again, let X belongs to intersection A complement intersection B complement. This equal to, you can write this. This is a direct law. Here used N because X does not belongs to A complement intersection B complement. Not does not belongs to, here belongs to. So X in A complement, also X in B complement. But X does not belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. That's mean X does not belongs to A union B, but X belongs to A union B complement. Therefore A complement intersection B complement is a subset of A union B complement. Therefore this equal to this. Proof is complete. So assessment, this number, and this number everybody will solve. This is a related before math, so I think that everybody will solve easily. Also given some homework, I'll give that are related to the explanation. So everybody will try to solve this math and submit the copy in the group. Date of submission 17/1/2021, time 9 p.m. Today after this, thank you to all everyone.